carry a ball close to your heart. Second striker is a guy who can give the passes, who can score a lot of goals, who's playing around the first striker. The main striker, I would call the number 9. He's the deep player. That's the guy he's the strong lad as well. And the second striker is those who plays around him, goes in the deep around him, goes in the front, can play the passes as well, go behind the midfield of the opposite teams. That's more the role of a second striker. I think the vision of a second striker, he's often intelligent, flair for the game. He knows how to move and he knows how to get the ball. And not even that, but he's always a guy who also should give passes. Normally the second striker is scoring goals. I think the top scorer in a club should always be the deep attacker, the number 9, because he's closer to the goal and he's the guy who gets most of the passes and most of the chances. Second striker, he scores goals and he gives passes and makes goals. So he's actually combined 2 in 1. The deep striker is your partner. If you go right, you go left. If you go down in the ball, you have to stay 2 or 3 meters behind him, or you can go deep. You have the opportunity to dribble the defense, to play a 1-2 with your partner, with your striker, number 9, the deep striker, or you can go for glory yourself. That's the opportunity you have. And when you are a second striker, you have the skills to dribble as well. So the opportunity is to go on take the 2-3 men. Also, when the two men are coming, you would make space for the number 9, so you can play him in. So actually, you have a very important role. You have the opportunity to play the number 9. You have the opportunity to go yourself, and you have even the opportunity to stop the ball and play behind or play it to your left or right for your winger or for your midfield. Depends how you're playing. When I was a boy, when I was a child, I had idols as well, as I think every child have. Important players in the world. I had especially a couple of players I really liked. I like Laudrup, because I'm Danish, Michael Laudrup. But Jürgen Klinsmann, the German striker, I really liked. A goal-scoring type, hard worker as well. But not even that. I think everybody loved Maradona, and me too. At the moment, I think the best player in the world, Cristiano Ronaldo, playing for Manchester United. He's a winger, but actually, for me, he's also a second striker. He can play as a second striker, he can play as a winger, and he even can play as a striker. That's for me the most important player, and the player who can do all the things. He can go on his own, he can score goals, he can give passes. He's just the best player in the world at the moment. That was my advices. To be a second striker, hopefully you can use them. You can always try to do them and be a better player. I think we're a good solution. Give you some options. Always should have your own ideas, but it's always good to listen. Good luck. Take care.